Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 1:40 p.m. and today's 18th of January 2018. So how many of you watched my yesterday's video? If you remember, I said Nifty is taking a support and Nifty is heading up. And that was the time I bought, the calls. I bought calls. And I think I was making my video see, always I give a reference of time and I always give a reference of, day. When I made the video, what I spoke, and everything is like a ready reckoner to you. So when I made was my video was yesterday, I think 1:30. This was the point, right? This was the point somewhere here. 1:15, 1:30. This was the time then I when I made it. And I said Nifty looks very, very positive to me. It was 10,750 at that time. And where did Nifty close yesterday? 10,807, 57 points above that. That was the movement Nifty showed. And I bought these 10,800 calls at 20 rupees at that time. And today you can see where it is, 95.30. This was the run up Nifty gave. So hope you all enjoyed it. Whenever I make video, within 10-15 minutes, I upload it on the YouTube. So you know exactly what's happening in the market and you can see things happening, right? You can see things happening. So everything is in front of your eyes. There is nothing that you will say, okay, this I said after the market hours. Everything that I do is in the market hours. Do you remember I made my video on it was part of it was also crude oil, and I said a trade is coming up, please be ready. Here we were here somewhere about 1:30, right? This is where we were. I said MACD is about to cross. Wait for RSI to cross, then only you can enter into it. So MACD crossed here, RSI crossed here. This was the point you could have entered at this candle. Our time frame for crude oil is always 30 minutes, and this is our entry price. Now let's see what was our entry price and what could have it given us. So our entry price was somewhere here, 4,065. If you wanted to do intraday trade, it has given you good 30 points. It already gave you good 30 points. Now again a trade is coming up. In a day at least you will get one confirmed trade. Okay. So see here, MACD is about to cross over. RSI is above 50 right now. You have to wait for it to cross and come below, right? I would say, as I have told you time and again, that always look into GCI, right? Always look into GCI, and that will give you a clear idea, because the market is uptrending right now. So downward momentum, I'm talking about the crude oil, right? Market is upward, so downward momentum may be not as huge as we get it in the upward direction, right? So be very, very careful. Its market is right now in heading up, right? So what I'm trying to tell you here is that downward fall may not be too much, may not be, you may not get to huge amount downfall. Why? Because you have a support here at 104078. So let all the candles come below 50 moving average. One, let RSI come below 50, let MACD crossover. Trade only for 10 points if it is in the downtrend, right? If the MACD RSI give you a negative signal, only trade in 10 points in crude oil, right? But if MACD RSI give you a positive point, because the general larger trend is positive, you see the larger trend is positive, then you are sure of at least 30 to 40 points. And it's a very, very good strategy. You can back test it. You can back test it here. Let me take a pen. So see here, this is MACD crossover, RSI crossover. At the same time, if you see here, right, at the same time, almost at the same time, market went from here to here. Rather, it's gone further up. I'll have to remove everything to show you how it went up. Here. MACD RSI crossover from here. 4031 market went up to 4121. Almost like 90 points market has gone up, right? This is the momentum market will give you if you actually patiently watch for your trades. Now see here, this was one trade, MACD crossover, but RSI is not crossed. Wait for the confirmation. That is something you definitely have to wait for. Here is the confirmation and see the fall. How many points? 3911 to 3872. So 30-40 points fall, which is a pretty good fall. And then see again, market taking the support. Please remember, your time frame has to be 30 minutes, not less than that. Okay. And so many trades you get in this setup. This is a very, very nice setup. And now see, MACD is almost heading down, RSI is heading down. You have a good opportunity to short, right? I think I can also trade in one lot. One lot, I hope I should be able to trade. I don't know how much money I have. Otherwise, I can put the crude mini, right? I can put crude mini for the crude mini. Crude mini January future. Crude oil mini January future. Here. So here there is an opportunity for us to sell, right? You can definitely trade in a mini lot, right? Mini lot you can trade, and at least what should be your target? What should be your target? Come se come, you can take about 10 points here. That is what I understand. Okay, now let's talk about Nifty first. Then we'll go on to the other things. So Nifty since morning is in a range. Nifty is in a range. Nifty is not breaking its range since morning. So if I just market its morning range, you can see from here, it's just not breaking this morning range. Nifty is just in a narrow channel. It has to break this channel, right? So what is happening? Nifty opened gap up, massively gap up. Once it tried to break this channel, next it tried to break the channel, third time it tried to break the channel, and it could not. RSI is above 60. RSI is at around 69. It has to go below 60. MACD is already crossed. There could be some profit booking that we can expect. We can expect some kind of a profit booking coming into it. And the trade that I have done today is Apollo Tires. Of course, we did a lot of trades, a lot of other trades which hit our stop loss and we had to exit. Many trades we did, 2-3 trades we tried, but today was a bad day. We tried Fortis. Fortis was heading up, but then immediately a few minutes later only it hit our target. We tried Davis Laboratory. That also was going nicely up, but then it hit our stop loss and came down. Now I'm trading in Coalpal. I mean, I've already traded in Coalpal. I entered at 1157 and it touched 1165 and I exited. Now market is little weak. And my next trade, which is going on right now, is also Apollo Tires. Apollo Tires, I have taken its put. I've taken it at 180 and it is at 250. So these are the trades. But Nifty is see, it is very strongly positive. But it is exhausted also. Like it's been just running. Like if you see its monthly daily chart, it's been just an uptrend ever since it has 6th of December. There has to be some exhaustion somewhere. Somewhere people will book their profits, right? So I'm 100% sure the profit booking will definitely take place. Now let's go to the option chain and see what's happening. So this is 10,900 where you have seen the highest call writing happening. And the put writing is happening at 10,900, 850, 800. All the levels you see the put writing happening, but let me just see how the dynamics change. So the call writing has reduced and put writing, there's nothing, like it's actually, when the market is not very dynamic, you can presume the market will remain range bound. Like after today only the market will take a decision, a decision in either of the direction. right? But if I look into the space of market, if I look into the space of market, majorly it is, you know, red. Majorly it is red, you know. So just be careful. Just be careful of your trades. So trade that I have kept on my radar. If it happens, I will do it. If it doesn't happen, I will not do it. So if it goes above 927, this is loop-in. If it crosses its morning range, this is the morning range. If it crosses its morning range with volumes, then which is after 927, I may see an entry over here, right? And I'm waiting. It may not happen. I'm not believing that it's going to happen. All right. So what I'm saying that hope you guys found my crude oil strategy good, and wish that you are learning and then only trading in the market and having some good winning trades. So wait for more confirmation, because MACD is crossing from top to bottom, but RSI has yet to go below 50, right? It's roughly about 49.40, but I would like to go below, you know, another point or so. If it is just 48 or so, I will be happy to enter into it. This is a trade which is in making for the downtrend, and I said to you, because the overall trend is positive, don't expect huge profit in the downtrend in the shorting, right? You have to be satisfied with only 10 points. So if it is, I mean, I hope you all know how to put the box order. So you go here. Okay, you have the cover order. You have a cover order only. Let me just cancel it. I want to sell it, right? I want to make it regular first. Cancel it. I want to sell it. Go to the more option. You don't have a bracket order, you have a cover order, right? So you have MIS, you have a quantity, you have a price, and make it limit and sell it, right? So you have a cover order out here. Okay, or you can simply use MIS order and then put a stop loss. Stop loss can be the top of this candle. Stop loss could be the top of this candle. All right. So as I told you, some of the trades, definitely Apollo Tire is doing very, very good. See the downfall, and we have bought its put. We bought it at 180. Right now it's at 250, and I'm expecting it to be 3 soon. I'm expecting tomorrow morning it to be 3, because Nifty has had no profit booking as of now. Till now, Nifty had no profit booking. So if there is some profit booking that comes up, we can definitely expect, you know, some of the stocks that we can definitely expect to go down: Hindalco, VEDL. Then we can also expect Apollo Tires also to go down. We can also expect Apollo Tires to go down. These are some stocks, if Nifty falls, will definitely correct. 100% they will correct. So guys, if you want to learn, if you want to earn in the market and understand from what's going on and don't lose money in the market, you can join my webinar, which is coming up on this Saturday. And the beauty of this Saturday program is that you will get to understand the market, right? And in all the different genre, like we will trade in equity, we'll trade in futures, we'll trade in cash, we'll trade in BTST, we will do morning trades, we'll do everything. But February onwards, you will have to do 2 different courses, one for positional, one for intraday, right? So decide what you want to do, but never enter in the market without understanding, right? Without understanding, you have to understand the market, then only you can take entry into it. All right. So I hope you liked my crude oil strategy. This has given good winning trades. One trade we did yesterday, another trade is in making. You can do it. You can go ahead and do it. Let me see what's happening in Zinc. So Zinc also, there could be a buying opportunity, right? The time frame has to be 30 minutes. See, it's taking a good support, but where is our entry? One is that RSI has to be above 50. MACD is already crossed. Candles have to be above 218. If candles go above 218 or 219, we can enter, and definitely 2 points, 1 point definitely we can get. Definitely 1 point we can get from here. So you can keep both the trades here. Um, Crude for shorting, but as I told you, take my words in verbatim, it has to cross in the downward direction. RSI has to convincingly cross. The candles have to be below all moving averages. Crude for shorting, zinc for buying, right? Crude for shorting, zinc for buying. And even when you buy zinc, you can buy only for zero point 0.5 points only. So if we buy it at about, let's say, 218.5, then 219 should be your target. That's it. Just buy safely, exit your position safely, right? So these are the trades that I would like you all to enjoy. These are my trades in commodity. So hope you will report it to me. How is it doing in commodity market? Are you being able to trade on my setup or not? And I will be definitely looking forward to you. Now see, we bought it at 280, 180. It's at 270. There's a beautiful fall happening in Apollo tires. See this beautiful run up, right? So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm expecting everybody to be there in the webinar. You can talk to my team. How do you can go to my website and talk to my team. You can go to my website, talk to my team. You go to contact us, and you have various other ways to, you know, get in touch with my team. Either you go to the Telegram, WhatsApp, phone, or you can email us. You can send a text from here, or you can chat with my team, right? And you will reach us, and we will guide you through. And I'm assuring you, you will have the most wonderful journey with us. So there is some kind of profit booking that may be now coming in Nifty, and I definitely want that to happen, right? I definitely want that to happen, because as I told you, I'm into my open position is in Apollo tires, and I'm waiting for it to mature. One of my member has done Tata Steel, and I'm 100% sure this will also mature. This will also mature. Trade will happen in the desired direction. Some members have traded in Voltas. People have, I've put the Voltas put, they have shorted Voltas. So these are the trades. When you understand the direction of the market, you understand what's happening in the stock, each stock. You understand that very, very clearly. So I'm looking forward to see you all. Good day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. But wait for Saturday. I want you all to attend our first webinar. My team will tell you how and when. Okay. So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm waiting for you guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, and then the day after on Saturday in my webinar. Bye bye.